Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen.
Hey y'all. So I am on my way to get some sushi for me and my son. And I had to stop and get some boiled peanuts. This is so ratchet. Y'all, but I love boiled peanuts. Oh snap, I almost missed my turn. Okay y'all, so I ended up stopping by Homegoods. Can y'all believe it? This is my vacuum because I was cleaning up my room and I needed a break. So I went to get sushi and then I stopped by Homegoods. But this is what I found at Homegoods. And I have one like this already, but it's not the same quality. The one that I have from Amazon is just like a little rinky-dink cheap one. This one is better quality. This thing is so heavy. This was $40. And then I bought, oh, these are just candles. Get my phone out. Ooh. And then I bought this one. So I'm going to sit these on our little side tables. But like I said, it's really good quality. Let me see. What is this made of? It was made in Italy. But like I said, they're really nice quality. They were $39.99 each. So yeah, I thought that was a really cute little find. And then I just bought 2 candles, something that I didn't need. Oh. Teak wood and the only fruity candle that I like, the mango tangerine. And then y'all know that I said I wanted all of my dishes to be all white, but every time I go into the store, I always look at these little black plates or bowls or whatever they are. I always look at these when I go in Target, when I go to At Home. And so I said, well, let me just buy 2. Because I obviously really like it. I really like them. So I just bought 2 of these. And then I bought unicorn cotton candy. And then these 2 little bins right here, just to put some stuff in. So that's all that I picked up from Homegoods. Y'all, good morning. Look how good this froth look. Get you an electric frother, okay? It changes the game for sure. Look at that. Okay y'all, so I am on my way out the door. Yes, I changed my hair. Shout out to Nudala Hair for sponsoring this portion of today's video. So this is a 13x4 lace frontal. It is a deep wave, 24 inches long. Y'all, when I tell y'all cute, look at this. Look at the texture of the hair. Love it. And this is an HD lace. I know that you guys love the curly units on me, which is my personal favorite, and I really like this unit because the lace was tinted already for me pre-plucked, so I didn't really have to do much at all. So y'all know I like to do like minimal baby hairs on my units, and it just turned out so good. I just wet it and I put a little bit of the snapback curl on it by Cantu. And I love the way that it turned out. This is 150% density. So cute. It's not heavy at all. And I really love the way that it turned out. Y'all know that curly hair is my favorite. I love it. I haven't had any issues with shedding. And the hair is just really nice. So yeah, this is where it falls on me. Super cute. I love it. I am in love with Nudala hair. Y'all know I love Nudala hair. I've told you guys about Nudala hair before. I've worked with them several different times. Look at the parting. But like I said, the lace did come tinted. So it just makes everything super easy. I know I'll get a lot of questions also on Instagram, and I'm gonna send everybody to this video because I get so many questions about my curly units. So don't forget to check the description box below. So I wanted to show you guys what I've done to this area, because y'all know that this is like my little fun area. Well, really my whole apartment. I'm constantly changing like my tables and stuff. So this is what I've done to this area this week. I don't change it that much, maybe once every 2 months or something like that. I got these little cuties from Hobby Lobby. I got these the same day that I bought my record player, but I just forgot to show y'all. So I have that, and I just put it in a vase that I had for quite some time. I don't even remember where I got that vase, but I spray painted this vase matte black. And then I just have it there next to my bust from Homegoods. Lamp is from Homegoods. And then down here, my little vase from Target. And then this little vase right here, I want to say this is from Hobby Lobby. I spray painted it. It was like that terracotta color, and I spray painted it black. And then on this side, I just have my Vanity Fair 100, my DIOR book, and then one of my favorite crystals on top. So that is what we're rocking with this week. I also ordered some more uva stalks. I actually ordered 6 more because I had 6 to start with, but they only sent me 1 set, which it comes in a set of 3. So they're gonna send the other ones out express mail. So I'll get the other 3 tomorrow. The lady said they should be here tomorrow because I just wanted it to be extra full because I have it here in my bedroom now. And this this uva stock looks way better than the last one. It just looks so pretty. Like, look at it. The browns, just so nice. It looks amazing in person. Like, it's not even really coming up on camera how pretty it is. Like, I mean, it still looks pretty on camera, but it is beautiful in person, y'all. I'm telling you. So when I get those extra 3, I'll just fill in the gaps a little bit, and yeah, should be set. So love this. I'll have the link to this in the description box below, but it's also on my Like to Know It account. I posted this on my Instagram yesterday, and when I woke up this morning, I had so many DMs about the uva stalks. Y'all know I bought these when I first moved here a year ago, and I'm in love with them. So we're getting ready to go to Cooper's Hawk. It's going to be my mother-in-law, my son's girlfriend, and my brother. So I'll see you guys in the car. So we're at Bahama Breeze. I'm vlogging on my phone, y'all, so excuse the footage, and I gotta hurry up. But there's my son's girlfriend right there, and then my mother-in-law and Ryan. What's up? And we're just gonna order some food. So we're gonna try some different things. So of course you guys will see that once the food gets here. All right, y'all, so we're back from, I'm in my bedroom, by the way. We're back from our little girls outing. It was really fun. We had a really nice time. We had some good food at Bahama Breeze. I haven't been there in a very long time, so we went there and it was good. It was a vibe. We had a nice time. Everything was great. I know that a few of you guys are going to ask me about this outfit, and this outfit is from Nasty Gal. I got this recommendation from GERNIKA Macia. If you guys are not familiar with her channel, you guys need to follow her. She puts you on all the things, okay? And she had on this outfit. She left the link and I purchased it. She did a Nasty Gal haul, and I basically purchased everything that she showed that day because she had some really cute pieces, and I got this one in. I got a lot of compliments on this. You guys can't really see how vibrant the color is, but it looks really, really pretty in person. And I'm in my bedroom. I don't have like my ring light and stuff like that, so the color isn't really popping like it would in person, but it's really pretty. I'm gonna show you some of the pieces that I got, because I got a few of them in today, because when she did the video, a lot of the stuff was out of stock, but she did a community post and said that some of the pieces were in stock, and I went right on the website and ordered them. I would try some of this stuff on for you, but trust me, you will see it. Okay, I'm not gonna try it on today, but this was the first thing that I wanted. She had this baby doll dress on. It's so cute. I'm gonna link the video in the description box below so you guys can watch the video and also subscribe to her channel, because I'm telling you, she is everything. The channel is everything. And it just has like the little ruffles at the bottom. This dress is actually really short on me, but it looks super cute. So this was like the main dress that I was after, but I bought this in the black and the white color. So her white one didn't have this ruffle detail around the neckline, but this one came with it. And this one is actually really short, but it still look good, and I'm gonna still wear it because I'm grown. But it still looks really, really cute. So like I said, I will link her video in the description box so you can see how it looks on her. It looks so good on her. And I was gonna wear it today, but they weren't dressed up, and so I was like, okay, well, I don't want to wear it because it is like a little dressy. You can dress it down if you wear like some flats or whatever, but I love this dress. It's super cute. And then this one right here is so cute. Look at this. Y'all know how I feel about these baby doll dresses. It's so cute. So this one you can wear off the shoulder. So cute. So I got this one in a size 12. This is in a size US 10, the top and the bottom, but they flare out at the bottom. They're really cute. And then she had like 2 other tops. Now the tops that she showed when she did that haul, they actually fit a little too snug on me, but I'm gonna keep them anyway, because y'all know that I've been trying to lose a little weight, so that's my goal, to get into those tops, because they're everything, okay? But I need to put this one on a hanger, because I actually just took this one out of the bag today, but I got these dresses in like last week. Super cute. And like I said, this white one, this one is probably my favorite one, because this one is just so pretty. Should I try this one on? Because it's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna try this one on just so y'all can see it. I hope I don't get no makeup on it, because I'll be so hurt. Okay, let me try this one on real quick. This is the dress. I know this is a terrible angle, okay, and I'm not wearing a bra, so you guys can't get the full detail, but you guys can see most of it on how it looks. It's super cute, and this is how it looks at the bottom. Super cute dress. Like I said, I just have to have on a bra to kind of push the girls up a little bit, but I love this dress. And when she had this dress on, I'm like, oh my god, I have to have that dress. So I ordered it, and I love it. Dress will definitely be a look, okay, for brunch. I love this. It's so cute. And y'all remember that other dress that I got when I was with Kalila? I still haven't wore that dress. So cute. Oh, so cute. I am trying to change my upload schedule, so I'm trying to do Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so that way I can have my weekends. So I'm trying to get in the groove of things. It's a little hard because I'm just so used to not doing any filming on Wednesdays, so bear with me. But that is the new schedule: Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I am SHERIKAB, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.
Don't take it, take it, just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal.